I'm just going to use the tip of my finger to adjust that. There we go. This one's not too bad, but let me just make sure I get that upper area. Same thing, just the tip of my finger. Okay, take a deep breath in and breathe.